Diwali, the festival of lights, can also be called the festival of flavors. Yes, that's right. In India, festival means wearing new clothes, visiting various places, decorating the whole house, having fun with family, and releasing tons of food items. Traditionally, Indian sweets are called mithai. It is an old traditional of considering sweets to be pure and an offering to the gods. Sweets are small gestures of greeting people, family, and friends with the joy of celebrating the festival. Dear students, what we are going to do now? Let us learn a sweet and snack recipe for Diwali special. At first, let us learn apple halwa. Now, let us see the ingredients what we need. Ghee, 2 apples, cashew nuts and raisins, half cup of sugar, a pinch of nutmeg powder and food color. Take the apples and remove the seeds and grate it and keep it aside. Now take half cup of ghee and add it to heated pan. Now add grated apples and stir continuously. Now add food color and stir it. Let the apple get smoother. Then add half cup of sugar into it. Stir continuously. Now add a pinch of nutmeg powder and stir it. Now roast cashew nuts and raisins into a pan and add it to the halwa. The halwa came very well. Now separate into a bowl. Now apple halwa is ready. Now let us see the benefits of apple. Apple are a good source of fiber and vitamin C. They also contain polyphenol which may have numerous health benefits. Apples may aid weight loss in several ways. They are also particularly filling due to their high fiber content. Apple contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help regulate immune response and protect against wheezing. Now let us learn a snack that is wheat crackers. Let us see the ingredients first. First we need a cup of wheat flour, half a cup of semolina, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon carom seeds and half a teaspoon of salt and required quantity of oil. Take all the ingredients in a wide mixing bowl and add water as you need and make it a dough like a chapati dough. And then cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for about half an hour. After resting time, knead dough well and divide it into 2 or 3 equal parts. Take one portion, roll between your palms like a ball, then using rolling pin, Roll the dough little thicker like a thick flat bread. Then using sharp knife and cut it into squares or what shape you like that you can have. Now separate the crackers carefully. Heat oil in a heavy bottom pan, and when it gets heated up, drop few crackers into it. Deep fry them till they turn slightly brown color. Then remove from oil and drain over kitchen tissue. Crispy wheat crackers are ready to serve as Diwali snack. Let us see the benefits of wheat flour. Enriched wheat flour may be a good source of iron, vitamins, niacin, calcium and vitamin B6. In addition to the above nutrients, whole wheat may be a decent source of several vitamins and minerals, including selenium, manganese, phosphorus, copper and folate. Adding semolina gives nice crunch to the crackers, so do not skip it. Roll the dough little thick for the perfect look and taste for cracker. Pricking is very important. If you skip pricking, the cracker puffs up and becomes soggy. The crackers stay crispy for more than a week. Dear students, I hope that you all enjoyed the recipes. And now let's try these recipes in your house and enjoy this Diwali with these yummy sweet and snack. Let this Diwali brings you joy and happiness. Happy Diwali to everyone. Thank you.